Hi, beauties. It's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I've got Trent with me. Say hello.
Hello.
All right.
And today we're going to make slime.
We're going to make slime. We found this Elmer's slime starter kit at Michael's.
Yeah.
And it was $19. But we had a 50 or 60%.
50 or 60% money.
Percent off coupon.
Oh. So.
Don't make a lot of noise because they can all hear it, remember?
Oh, yeah.
So it comes with two of these.
Comes with two of these.
Right.
Starter thingies.
Which is a washable clear glue.
Yeah. And their activator.
The activator, what's this called?
Magnesil liquid.
Magnesil or magical?
Magical liquid.
Magical liquid. So it comes with two of those.
And we got some glitter glue.
And it has some classic glitter glue. So that's what comes in it, you guys. It's $19 for this, two of these, and two of these. So we're going to save these for later.
Yeah.
And then what color do you want to use in your glitter glue?
Blue.
Blue? Okay, let's get that out. And we probably need to read the directions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We won't know how to do it.
While we're doing that, you want to empty that glue?
Yeah.
Okay.
The whole thing?
Yeah, we're just going to empty it in a bowl. It does not come with its own bowl. And then, don't make a mess. And then we'll empty the glue too.
Can I make it kind of weird? Okay, not good with this. Just good with that. I need this.
You do that and I'll do this one?
Yeah.
Hoping this is right because we didn't even look at the directions. We said let's look at the directions and then we didn't, did we?
Yeah.
Let me see here.
Hopefully we did it right because we can't do anything about it. Right?
Yeah. Pour entire contents of the glue.
We did it.
Add the glitter of your choice. This whole entire thing.
We actually did it right.
Right?
Oh.
And
then can I do the activator?
Not yet. We have to mix it all up first.
Yeah.
So first we got to get it all out of here. Alright. There's a lot in here.
Yeah.
Okay. That's out.
This is not. This is fluid.
And then...
Okay,
you're good?
all done.
Oh, why don't you tell the beauties what just happened a few minutes ago?
My tooth fell out.
His first tooth fell out. Are you trying to show him? Okay. Yeah. All right, they could see it. Good job.
Now mix.
Now mix it all up. Now this is just getting that glitter all mixed in there together.
Yeah.
There's no activator yet.
No. I think the activator is last.
Yeah. Don't push your head against this because it's holding the camera, see?
Oh, yeah.
So you got that all mixed in there?
Yeah.
Let's see. You look like you did. Look at that. That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah. Now activator and this.
Nope, this is all we do right here. So I got that all mixed up. I think we've got it all the glitter.
Yeah.
And
activator time.
Activator time.
Can I do it?
Okay. Do it slowly as I mix it. That's fast. Okie dokie. That was pretty fast. That wasn't slowly. But it looks like it's working.
Yeah, if you do it fast, kind of, it can work.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I guess I didn't know. Okay, don't get it all over the place. You're good.
I am too.
And it's starting to activate. Look at that.
Yeah. Is it actually gonna be slime?
It looks like it wants to be slime. This is definitely easier than the first time I made slime, wasn't it?
Yeah. Have I made the other slime with you before?
No. That was Bello and I made slime.
Bello?
Mm-hmm.
Can I see the video?
Sure, I'll show it to you after we're done, okay?
Good.
So it's starting to do it. I think you could play with it with your hands now. And get it all.
Shall we see?
Yeah. Mix it all up. How'd we do?
It's actually slime.
It is. We made slime.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Keep working with it because it's going to get slimier and slimier the more you work with it.
Yeah. This is off of my hand.
Grab that slime off of here with your hands.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's a little bit.
There you go.
I got all of it.
Okay, now keep on mixing it around so you could show the beauties
With my hand?
how cool that is.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You having fun playing with it?
Yeah.
And you could put other stuff in there too, huh?
Yeah. And I could do this.
Oh my goodness.
And I can wash my hands. I'm washing my hands.
All right.
It's
Well,
my
I
soap.
think that was definitely worth it to make slime that easy. You can probably put in another color if you wanted to.
Yeah.
You can maybe put some
I want to.
red.
I
What
want
does
to.
blue and red make? What color does that make?
Purple.
Purple. You could probably make purple, right?
Can we put red in there?
You want to?
Can we put all the colors?
No, that would make brown.
I don't know. I don't like brown.
Be careful. We don't want to get that slime everywhere. But you want me to add this red in there?
Can I do it?
Sure.
And you. Because I can't really do this.
I hope we don't ruin it by doing this. I don't think we will.
No. Because we're just making more slime.
Oh. You sound like you have a little bit of cold starting. Go ahead and mix that all up.
With my hand.
Get that red in there everywhere. And let's see what it does.
Maybe
That
we
is
could.
cool. It actually is.
Maybe we could do some gold.
It kind of looks like Captain America, doesn't it? Or Spider-Man.
Yeah. Let's see what it makes with gold.
I don't think we're going to put any more.
Why?
Because I think everybody has seen what it is. And maybe later we could play with it. But right now, I think blue and red is good. What do you think?
A little bit.
That's really cool.
Yeah. I can wash my hands with it.
You're getting it everywhere.
Yeah, because I'm washing my hands.
And then we'll just put it in a jar to save it. How's that sound?
Yeah.
All right. Well, then, I guess that's it. I think that was a success. We're going to give a thumbs up for that one, right?
Bye.
All right, beauties.
My slimy hands.
We'll talk to you later. Bye.